Welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today, we are taking a closer look at the all-new Sony Xperia 2, a smartphone that truly reflects Sony's premium engineering and flagship identity. From the very first glance, this device gives you a sense of refinement, a perfectly crafted body with flat edges, a matte finish, and Sony's iconic tall display design that instantly makes it stand out. The moment you power on the Xperia 2, the brilliance of Sony's 4K HDR OLED panel becomes clear. The colors are vivid, the contrast is exceptional, and the cinematic aspect ratio delivers a viewing experience you won't find on any other phone. Sony has also enhanced the touch response and brightness, making the phone perfect for gaming, multitasking, and outdoor use. When it comes to performance, the new flagship chipset delivers incredible speed, smoothness, and power efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or switching between apps, everything feels super responsive. The thermal management has also improved, giving you sustained performance without overheating issues. One of the biggest highlights is the camera system. With Sony's advanced sensor tech, upgraded night photography, and improved stabilization, the Xperia 2 captures crisp, detailed, and professional-looking photos and videos. The natural colors and dynamic range make it ideal for creators. Overall, the Sony Xperia 2 is a polished and powerful device built for users who want premium quality without compromise. If you enjoyed this detailed look, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more amazing tech content every day.